All right, so, I see this quite a bit with maybe younger people where they tend to think, first of all, let's just use me as an example. I'm good at being an example. Not only do they know that I'm old, but they think I'm stupid because they think they're so much smarter. Remember, as you're raising kids, how those kids thought they were so much smarter than you? And then as time went on, it's amazing how smart you started to get. Yeah, well, same thing. They think old people have a tendency to just sit around the house. They have a cell phone, so they're playing on the cell phone, playing games, and that's about it. Well, I'm here to tell you that that is not about it. That is not anything close to what I do. But, like I said, I'm retired. I'm happy. I don't really have a whole lot of cares as far as, things that I have to do. I also don't have a house payment. I don't have a car payment. And I got, let's just say, plenty of money in savings. So, how about you young kids? Do you have that? My guess is no. So maybe before you call us stupid, you kind of figure out what we've been doing. Maybe you could be sitting around with no car payment and no house payment. Later. Bye.